Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel for NetSuite and its related training. So today we are going to talk about CRM module, and in CRM module we will be talking about marketing to ROI. So let me first share my screen. So if you remember my last session where we did talk about lead to code, where we had covered how the leads is generated and we talked about from lead to customer journey. Same way, the next in our plate is a marketing to ROI. Here we will be talking about how the campaign is generated in NetSuite system and what are the different functionality for that marketing to ROI that is available. So let me just start the session. And by the way, before I start, so thanks for your views and like for our last session. And we hope you are enjoying our journey for NetSuite training. And we will be continuing this channel for new topics. And I also recommend please give me some comment and feedback so that we can include those topics if you want to have anything in your mind. So we will be adding those. Okay. So with that, let me start the marketing to ROI. Basically, it's a campaign module of NetSuite, how this functionality works. Okay. So the first thing starts with enabling feature. Okay. So basically, what happened if you have already subscribed that particular module, so that will automatically be available in your enabled feature. So if you see here, if I go to enable feature, here you will have the marketing automation. So if this checkbox is checked, that means that model is already there. If it is not, then you can just enable this checkbox. Okay. So now once the checkbox is there, what will happen? NetSuite will have a new tab appeared over here, which says marketing template, campaign, okay, promotions. So those things will be available. Now, I just want to explain first about the theoretical aspect. So what happened? Whenever you do a campaign, right, it's like you are targeting an audience. Okay. So for example, I will give you a generic example which we feel day to day life. So what we receive different type of messages on our phone, like okay, there are independence day sale going on or new year sale going on, where we get some extra percentage of discount, right? So same way, this kind of blasting an email you can do with this particular model. Okay. So basically, campaign is nothing but it's like blasting an email to a group of audience. Okay, so we send an email like, okay, our company is having a sale and please come and grab the opportunity. Okay, so if we minutely observe that, right, what is the first element for those campaign? And that is nothing but your audience, right? So you have audience. In NetSuite terminology, we call them as groups. Okay, so the group is like marketing groups, and these groups are nothing but target audience. Target audience. Okay, so it can be two types. One can be a static, okay, and one can be dynamic audience. So what is dynamic or static? So I'm not talking in NetSuite terminology. Okay, I'm just giving you a heads up. Like you can, a company can have multiple criteria, right? Let's suppose you are targeting a campaign, like you want to reach out to a group of audience, and and there is a specific demand. Okay, so for example, you are having a campaign and it is only for let's say VIP customers. Okay, or you have a group of 5 customers, right? So for only these emails you are targeting only to reach out to them. Okay, so what you can do, you can create a static group where you can add those customers manually one by one. Okay, so that's your static group. However, dynamic group is like based on some criteria, you want to check how many customers you have, and then you want to target them. Okay, so like based on some criteria, this is basically based on some criteria. So if I give you an example, let's say all customer created last month. Okay, or all customers who purchase item from your company last month. Okay, so those is one of the criteria, and then this criteria you can have any number of customers, right? Any number of customers can qualify. If 100 customer you had deal, or 50 customer, or you have 20 customer, right? So this will be your dynamic group or group of audience. Okay, so the first component for that marketing to ROI model is you should have a group, okay, or marketing group. How we can create them in NetSuite system? So if you go to the NetSuite system, so you can go to list, relationship, and groups. Okay, so here you can have a group, and now this group can have any type. Like for example, if you want to reach out to customer, or if there is an internal campaign, right, for your company, then you can create a group of employees, or you can create a group of your supplier, or any projects related campaign you want to do, then you can also select this option. So these are the drop down list for which you can generate the groups. Okay, so what it can have a group of, you can have a group of customers, you can have group of vendors, you can have group of contacts, right? Or you can have a group of employee. I'm just going with a simple example. Now, once you have created the group, that's component number one. Then what the next component in it? Okay. So definitely whenever you will be targeting, right, you will be sending out an email, then you should have a email structure. Okay, email, you will have a predefined email, right, where you will have a company logo, or you will have some information, right, body. For example, when we receive an email, right, we for such type of campaign, what do we see? We say like, okay, there is an independence sale going on, independence day sale going on, you will get extra 20% discount, come and grab the opportunity. Okay, or big billion day sale, so something like that, right? You have a predefined template. So for that, we create in NetSuite email templates. Okay. Now this template can have can have a lot of pictures in it, can have a lot of catchy words in it, right? That up to you. So what NetSuite provides, so for that you will have email templates where we have a predefined data. Okay, so you have a groups already there. You have a predefined data, or I would say template. Okay, which you can use for generating your template. Okay, so if you see that, okay, you will have this is a your subject, and then you have a body will be written over here, then you can use this particular template. Okay, so it's up to a developer. Generally multiple customers, multiple companies has their own developer where they generates those templates. Okay, so now in this screen is nothing but your marketing campaign screen, where we will be blasting an email to our audience. Okay, so you will see this is the this is your title. Okay, and here is the group of audience. For example, I in my Excel, I just explain you that, okay, I have a group of audience, then I have an email template, or I would say campaign template. Okay, campaign templates. Okay, so I have a campaign template. Now once this two feature is created, then what are the third options here? So generally we attach a promo code. Okay, so if your company has any promotions or promo code, then you can enable this in your campaign, or attach this promo code in your campaign. So generally, for example, right now it's Feb, right? So you can put as Feb 20. That means whoever will be using this particular one second, yeah, whoever will be using this particular code, they will get 20% discount for the order item. Okay, so this campaign, right, this promo code also you can create in using NetSuite scripts. So here you can go list, marketing, and then you can have a promotions. So in NetSuite there are multiple promotions. You can have Yeah, so you can have different type of predefined sweet promotions. For example, you have discount on item like buy one get one free, or buy one get other item on half price, or you have a template like selected item on a fixed price, okay, or discount on total order value. My Excel, which I was explaining here, this was giving you a 20% discount. So this was based on your order value, okay. And then if you there is a free shipment, then you can use also free delivery. That's what it is. And then there is a gift, or gift item automatically get added, okay, if you are buying more than $20 or more. So this is the sample. So this way you can generate promotions, okay. So now with this three component, you have a groups, you have an email template already defined, and then you have a promo code attached with that. Now with this three model, you can generate a campaign. Okay, so you can select the groups, you can have the template. Okay, you can create the template. What I had explained you that okay how to generate a template. So you can attach the template using this predefined format, and then you can even attach status. Okay, so attach is status is nothing but your campaign status. Okay, so I will talk about this. So here you have a promotion code. Okay, so this is the three uh, predefined options you need to set up. So groups, template, and promotions. Once this three is set up, right, then you can attach a cost like this campaign is if it is costing you some money, then you can attach that okay how much cost you are going to spend on this particular campaign. And once this is done, right, so you have this predefined status. So if let's say somehow the email is not sent out from NetSuite system, then the status will be failed. Not started is the default status, like you have not decided anything. And then planning is something like you are planning but you have not trigger that particular campaign. Okay, so for example, for future campaign, let's say we have a July campaign, okay, or summer campaign, then we can generate a campaign and we can put into planning stage, and we can just put a date. Okay, like okay, I'm planning for May month. So then first May, then I can just select that particular campaign as a planning. Then execute is like it's giving an instruction that okay at this time at this date you need to trigger or you need to blast an email with this particular template and to this group of audience, okay, and that audience will be receiving this particular promo code as a campaign receipt, okay. And then if once this is executed, right, automatically after the trigger is done, the status will become sent, okay, if the email has been sent out to the customer. So that's what the status is. So I will talk about this in detail, like okay, how this can be, these groups can be created in my next session, okay, and how this email template can be created and how the promo code can be created. So from the theoretical aspect, or if you are appearing for any interview exam, if it is being asked that okay, what does have you worked on campaign? So from theoretical aspect, that yes, you have worked it, and what is the basic principle or basic model need to be set up for generating a first campaign in your system. So it will be group, email template, and promo code. If required, you can use this promo code. Okay. Now, once the campaign is done, right, then you have the term called ROI. Generally, we most of the people doesn't know what is the meaning of ROI. So it's like return on investment. Okay. So basically, once the campaign is created or it is done, uh, on there is a target audience. So target audience will be receiving an email, and based on that, if they are coming to your company and they are putting some orders or some sales order, right, so you will be giving them discount, which is tagged to that particular campaign. Okay. Now, once they will be receiving that order, right, or once they will be receiving those uh, mm, invoices, so your company will be receiving a payment, right? So if a payment is done based on this particular campaign, then you can say that okay, you have done some return on investment. Okay, so I will show you in my next session that okay how the return on investment functionality looks like. So what happened once you save the campaign, okay, a campaign is executed, there will be a tab get open that okay, it's like an analysis tab which gives you the complete analysis that okay, how much leads is generated, how much customer is sold out, who has subscribed it, and who is not subscribing that particular campaign. So all that analysis you will be able to see it here. And also there will be a marketing related reports where you can see that okay, campaign return on an investment analysis, okay, how what's your response on the campaign and how much leads are generated for that campaign. Okay, so we will be talking about that in detail. For now my purpose was just to explain the theoretical part of the marketing to ROI, where you can you should be able to answer your interview questions and how it looks like. And then I will show you in my next session how that model actually triggered in NetSuite system. Okay, so that's it for today, and keep watching my channel, and where we will be showcasing you different topics. So right now we are talking about CRM model. So we did talk about lead to quote and marketing to ROI. So tomorrow, just wait. We will be also placing you call to resolution that okay, how the support management functionality works. Okay, so keep watching and do subscribe our channel, share with your friends, and also let us know if you have any, as I told you, if you have any feedback or any topic you want to see. Please reach out to us. We will be creating a video and showcasing you in our channel. Okay. So thank you. Thank you once again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.